Are you having issues with your Wyze Cam V3 not connecting to your local Wi-Fi network? I will be going through all the possible reasons as to why this happens and what you can do in order to fix this. So, welcome to Bling Bling, let's get started. The most important eligibility criterion for your local Wi-Fi network to pair with your Wyze camera is a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal. Fortunately, your Wi-Fi router is bound to support the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal even if it's an aged router, as it's the most commonly used Wi-Fi radio. A typical Wi-Fi router should emit a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal and a 5 or a 6 GHz Wi-Fi signal based on the tech used, each listed separately in your list of Wi-Fi networks. But newer Wi-Fi routers have been combining the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signals with the 5 or 6 GHz Wi-Fi signals for a more seamless experience by automatically switching between the networks. This can cause connectivity issues with your Wyze Cam V3. So, if you have a Wi-Fi router that combines the signals, you will need to go to your router settings and split the signals. You can also call your internet service provider to help you with this. Now, this connectivity issue usually arises when you're pairing your Wyze Cam V3 to the Wyze app for the first time. Now, there is no solid reason as to why this happens, but considering the fact that your internet router is a device that's powered on 24/7, temporary bugs like this are bound to crop up. These temporary bugs are usually caused due to an imbalance of charge within your router. The best way to fix this is to power cycle your router, which ensures that all the charges from within the system are depleted and juiced up freshly from scratch. To power cycle your router, unplug it from power and plug it back in after a minute. While you're at it, you can also try power cycling or rebooting your Wyze Cam V3 as well to give it that added refresh. If power cycling didn't fix your connectivity bug, then the issue might be with your Wyze Cam. This should be a temporary bug, but what's not temporary, however, is Wyze content like this, which you can access by subscribing to our channel. The best way to fix this is to reset your camera and try setting it up from scratch. You can reset your Wyze Cam V3 by pressing the setup button on the base of the device until you hear a beep sound. Then wait for your Wyze camera to reboot and say ready to connect. Try setting it up once again and check if you can connect with your local network. If you have successfully set up your Wyze camera with the Wyze app, but if your Wyze app is not pairing with your Wyze camera after the setup, then the issue might be with your internet connection. The Wyze Cam V3 is a solo device that does not require an external hub to connect to the Wi-Fi network like sync modules for Blink cameras. So, your Wyze camera needs to be in range of your Wi-Fi without any obstacles hindering its connection. The best way to check if your camera is connected to a Wi-Fi network is by checking its status LED. Your Wyze Cam V3 should show a solid blue light if it's connected and working properly. If not, try moving your Wyze Cam a bit closer to your router and check if the lights turn blue. And with that, I hope that your Wyze Cam V3 gets connected to your local Wi-Fi network without much hassles. If you're still facing issues, I recommend that you get in touch with Wyze and get your issues sorted. If you found this video useful, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more smart home content.